This app's appears show you
How to change your iPhone passcode or password. Follow these easy steps to update or change your iPhone passcode. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on Face ID and passcode. Now enter here your current passcode to verify. Now scroll down and here you will get this change passcode option. Just tap on that. Also, here you have to verify your current passcode. Once you verify it, now you will get the option to change your passcode. All you have to need just write here your new passcode. And verify and retype the new passcode to verify. And that's it. Your passcode or password has been changed. This is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.